no lactose, no cholesterol, and it doesn't even come from an animal. And animals need a lot of space and money and water and energy to give us milk. And in animal factories, milk production means animal abuse. Biggest risk of their life. Make something that we drank for They found a way to do it. First, they copied the genes from a cow on how to make milk and then transformed it into a microbe. So now you don't need a cow to make milk, just the microbe. This microbe can make in the process.
You can make a cow jealous and grateful.
This process is called microbial fermentation.
We imported the whole mechanism of producing milk into a single cell microbe. So we don't need the rest of the cow, and we surely don't need to spend resources in the process of creating a 900 kilograms animal.
With this process, you just need 10% of the water, 1% of the land, and 0% of the cows to create real milk. First time in human history, we can make better, healthier, and more sustainable food.
Essentially, we can make everything we love about dairy products without the downsides.
So imagine this. Very soon, you can go to the supermarket and the entire dairy section will be a lot healthier and a lot more sustainable. All the cheese, yogurt, and milk will taste just as great and cost just as much without any factory.
Why this is so revolutionary? Like, don't we already have almond milk and cashew milk?
This is not almond milk. Almond milk tastes different and you cannot make cheese from it. You cannot make yogurt from these cashew or almond milk. The promise of this one is to be chemically the same. It's the same molecules that come from a cow are now coming from a lamb. And it's just healthier and better, and you can make cheese and yogurt from this, which you cannot do from almond milk. I don't know about you, but I am excited about the future. People like Aviv and Ori are working every day, That's more than a minute. See you soon.